Hi viewers, in this video you will learn regarding MS Excel basics. The first bar of entire workbook is called title bar. Title bar included so many options. The first close window, and this one narrow window, and this one minimize this window, and this one search anything regarding your data and sheets, and this one file name. You can change the name of file from here. File, save as. Here you can change the name of the file and location of the file. And this option for quickly use some options which you want, you have to appear here on the title bar, where you click. For example, you have to print setting mostly, so you can click here, so this one appear here. Regarding the print, you can easily access your option. And if you want to remove any option from here, so just unclick. Same, this one print, unclick, so this will disappear. Here you find two arrows, this one for forward and next, and this one for undo and previous record. And this option is for save. When you work on your sheet, so you want to save, so just click here one time. And this one option for auto save. If you want auto save, so just on this option, otherwise keep off. The second bar is menu bar. Menu bar has tab buttons, in which file, home, insert, page, layout, formulas, data, review, view, and developer. So here, if you want to skip anything, means no need, so just you can go here and in option and customize ribbon. And here you can unclick. For example, formulas you no need, just unclick, and data like that. If anything you don't need, so you have to unclick from here, and which one you need, so just click. Okay. And every tab button has commands. In the third bar, all is the commands related to tab button. Which tab button you press, for example insert, you press insert. So regarding insert, all option is there, so that one very easy way to choose your any option from there. Page layout, all option regarding the page layout here, and formulas, data, like that. All tabs, which tab button you press, so all commands regarding that button you will check here, and which you want you can apply on your data. And this one entire workbook, and this one is cell. Intersection of column and rows is called cell, and every cell has one address, and address will show here in this bar. This one B4 means B column and 4 rows, so B4. When I press here, G5 means G column and 5 row. So intersection of column and row is called cell, and address is here, you can check. And on the right side, this one scroll, vertically scroll bar. For up to down you have to check the data, so just click here and hold this. And more formulas you have to press here, and this one so many formulas which you need, so just select that one and you have to put your data like that. And this one, in this bar, sheet bar, this one, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and you can add more sheets if you want, 4, 5, 6, like that. When you finish one work in the one sheet, if you want to do something on the second sheet, means you have to change the sheet, so just press here, and you can put the name of the sheet here. You can change the name of sheet also. Right click and rename. And here you can put any other name. And you can choose any color for this sheet tab color. You change like that. You can change the name of every sheet and you can change the color also. When you put any data, so if you want to save, so how you will save, just write here, for example, so this one save, from here, this one save. Now when you will close the file, so that data will save. With this name you can open the file on the desktop with this name. If you want to change the name, so you can change from there also, like that. Means just close it. Universal basics, you can change name here. Just open. Status was include macros recording button, and if you want to add something from here, so just you have to click here with which option you want. On status bar you can click from here. That one it will appear on the status bar. If you want to remove, so just unclick like this. For example, here I will put some number. See, automatically when you select cells, it automatically average and count how many cells and sum. So these formula already appear. This is normal use means. So if you want to check the maximum number also, in which one is the maximum number, and like any other option, so you have to select from here. This means just go to status bar here and right click and open the window, and you can select any option which you want. Normally means you, for example, you have to check also normally maximum number, so you have to click maximum. So maximum number appear here. When you select any cells, so also maximum number will appear here, 35, like that, 35%. So here are so many options, discuss one by one in the next video. So just this one introduction, that here you can add and remove the options on the status bar. This video especially I prepared for those people who first time use MS Excel. So that's it in this video.